Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders and you keep getting this error, couldn't start the game with the error code 30005, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your task manager and you're going to close any applications related to Arc Raiders, Easy Anti-Cheat or Crashpad Handler. So just look for Arc Raiders here. You'll see I don't have any process here, or Easy Anti-Cheat, I don't have it here. Crashpad Handler, I don't have it here. So I've closed all three of these applications. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here CMD. You're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes on here. And here you're going to put these commands in. I'm going to put all of these commands into the description of the video. You're going to put this command in first. And after that, you're going to put this command in. And when you put in this command, then you're going to put this command in. And after you put in this command, you'll get a value here. If you get a value of 0, that means this solution worked, and then you're going to go ahead and do the next part. But if you don't get a 0, you're going to restart your computer, open up the command prompt in administrator again and do these commands again. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your C drive, program files 86. You'll see this easy anti-cheat folder. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. If you can't delete it, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once and then come here and delete this folder. And after you're done deleting it, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer and open Steam up. You're going to right click on Arc Raiders, go into properties, click on install files, click verify integrity of game files. And once that's done, then you're going to go ahead and play Arc Raiders on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.